Welcome to our channel. If you want to verify your Huawei account, follow these step-by-step instructions to complete the verification process and access Huawei services across your devices. Step 1. On your Huawei device, open the Settings app and scroll down to find Huawei account or Huawei ID. Step 2. Tap on your Huawei account to view your account details and settings. Step 3. If your account is not verified, you'll see a notification prompting you to verify your email or phone number. Step 4. Alternatively, you can visit id.huawei.com in your web browser and sign in with your Huawei account credentials. Step 5. After logging in, look for verification notifications on your account dashboard. Step 6. Navigate to Account Settings or Security Center to access verification options. Step 7. For email verification, click on Verify Email next to your email address. Huawei will send a verification code to your registered email. Step 8. Check your email inbox for a message from Huawei with a verification code or link. Step 9. Enter the verification code in the provided field on your device or on the Huawei ID website, or click the verification link in the email. Step 10. For phone number verification, tap on Verify Phone Number and enter your mobile phone number. Step 11. Huawei will send an SMS with a verification code to your phone. Enter this code in the verification field. Step 12. For additional security, set up security questions and answers in your account settings. This helps protect your account and aids in recovery if needed. Step 13. Consider enabling two-factor authentication for enhanced account security by going to Security Center and selecting Two-Factor Authentication. Step 14. Once verification is complete, you'll have full access to Huawei services, including cloud storage, app gallery, Find My Device, and more across all your Huawei devices. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.